How to access hidden filters on Snapchat. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can access hidden filters on Snapchat. Firstly, look for updates that may be available for the Snapchat app. Open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for Snapchat. If there are any updates available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then open the app on your device. After opening, you will land to this recording page. At the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, you will land to your profile section. Tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Now in settings, scroll down and go to the section Additional Services. Under Additional Services, tap on Manage. After that, you will land to an interface like this. Now here, if you see an option called Filters, then enable that option. In most of the apps, this might not be available, so make sure to check it. Another thing that you can do is to unlock hidden filters through snap codes. You can search for snap codes in your web browser. Search for snap codes. After that, in the result page, you will see links like this. To be more specific, search for snap codes for filters. After getting the snap code, scan in Snapchat to get the filter. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.